Welcome back. Despite severe protests by the opposition and sharp criticism, the Lok Sabha today passed the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen Bill, or what's been referred to as the VBG Ramji Bill. The bill seeks to repeal the 2-decade-old Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. The opposition parties have declared the new bill as one that destroys the spirit of MGNREGA and could have disastrous consequences for the rural economy. However, the government has contended that the new bill is a decisive reform measure to the flagship Rural Guarantee Scheme. The opposition has pointed to greater onus on states in the new bill, dilution of the guarantee to employment and universal nature of MGNREGA, and all that being replaced with the new bill. Let's get you this special report on an extremely contentious issue.
विधेयक को सभा द्वारा पारित किया जाए। महात्मा गांधी विजन ऑफ राम राज्य।
हर दिन इन्होंने यहाँ पे तमाशा किया है, हमारा दिल दहल जाता था इनको देखकर।
A massive showdown in Parliament as the Lok Sabha passed the new G Ramji bill that will replace the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Members of the opposition protested in the well and tore up papers as the government moved to pass the bill, ignoring the opposition's demand to send it to the standing committee. The speaker said the legislation had been discussed at length and berated the opposition for tearing up papers.
सदस्य, आपको देश की जनता ने कागज फेंकने के लिए नहीं भेजा है, आपको चर्चा करने के लिए भेजा है.
The opposition has been opposing the bill on two counts. First, the removal of Mahatma Gandhi's name from the law, calling it an insult to the father of the nation. And second, on the provision that puts more financial burden on the states. NREGA was primarily a centrally funded scheme, while G Ramji divides financial costs between the centre and states at 60-40.
इस बिल से मनरेगा खत्म होने जा रहा है क्योंकि प्रदेश की सरकारों के पास इतना पैसा है नहीं.
Arguing in favour of the bill, Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said the Congress has named laws only after Nehru and is now questioning the NDA government. He also termed NREGA as a tool for corruption.
कितनी योजनाएं चलाई तो नाम रखने की सनक इनकी है माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय. मोदी सरकार को केवल काम करना चाहती है, केवल काम में हमारा विश्वास है.
Countering the opposition's objections to the bill nomenclature, BJP MP Kangana Ranaut said that this is the era of Ram.
ये राम युग है, तो अब जिसका काम नाम आया उन्होंने वो नाम रखे, तो अब जब राम का वक्त आया तो वो अपना नाम रखेंगे.
Well, Congress's Shashi Tharoor accused the government of sullying Lord Ram's name for politics.
मेरे बचपन में ये गाते थे, देखो ये दीवानो ये काम मत करो, राम का नाम बदनाम मत करो. And in this particular case, it's a real.
The bill will now go to the Rajya Sabha before it becomes law. But the politics is unlikely to die down anytime soon, as the opposition is planning countrywide protests. An NDTV Bureau report.